So you're in the market for new furniture and you want to know what the best interior design program is out there. Well, you're in luck because you're about to hear the 8 best interior design programs through furniture stores, and they're free. Number 1, La-Z-Boy. Of course we had to add ourselves to the list because La-Z-Boy has a fantastic design program. Each designer in the La-Z-Boy stores have a degree in the design field. So it's a really simple process. First, come in the store and we'll talk about the space, what you envision for the room. Then we'll come out to your house, take some measurements, and bring the fabrics with us. That way you can see the fabrics in your lighting. Next, we'll have you come back in the store and you'll see a 3D presentation of the furniture pieces and the fabrics. That way you know you're making the right decision. Ethan Allen has been in business since 1932 and they're one of the biggest names in the furniture industry. Your interior designer at Ethan Allen will help you as much or as little as possible. You can get started with their design program with just walking into their gallery. No appointment is necessary. The next store is Pottery Barn. Pottery Barn also offers a free design service. They will sit down with you in a one-on-one consultation to really help you gain the vision for the space. They offer this in every single one of their stores, and they'll even offer you help with decorations for parties, holidays, and weddings. West Elm is a furniture store with locations all across the world. They will help you with floor plans and finishing touches for your room. You can get started with West Elm by just simply walking into one of their locations or setting up a digital consultation. The next store on our list is Havertys. Havertys has a very similar design program to La-Z-Boy. Theirs involves a 3-step process: teamwork, home sweet home, and the extra mile. If you want to learn more, go into one of their stores or fill out a form online. Crate & Barrel is also a well-known furniture store. They offer expert advice and inspired designs. You first start with a questionnaire, and then once that's complete, one of the designers will reach out to you to get to know your style. Visit their website for more information. The next store on our list is Rejuvenation. Rejuvenation is a branch of Williams-Sonoma, and they also offer free design services. The coolest thing about them is they inhabit old, restored, historic buildings in whatever city they're in. They'll help you with the smallest detail of your space to redoing the entire room. The last furniture retailer on our list is Joybird. Joybird is a completely online service. There's a 3-step easy process. First, you will create a style profile. Then, you'll collaborate with your designer. And lastly, you just make your purchase right online. It's that easy. Check out the link below for more information. If you like what you've seen and you want to see more, click the subscribe button down below. Or if you want to talk to me or one of our other interior designers, click the link in the description box below. This way, you can make an appointment to talk to us for free.